Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Method 1. Turn off metered connection. First, open your Start menu, search for Settings, and click to open it. Now select Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet, then select your connected network. Scroll down and find the metered connection option. To get the fastest download speeds, make sure this feature is turned off. Method 2. Check app data usage. Close Settings, open the Start menu, and search for Data Usage. Select Data Usage Overview. Click on Data Usage again. Here, you'll see a list of apps using your network resources. Go through this list carefully. If you see apps you no longer need, especially ones running in the background, uninstall them. These apps may be consuming your bandwidth and slowing your downloads. Once done, close the window and check if your download speed has improved. Method 3. Change DNS for faster speeds. If the issue persists, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right, change View by to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center, then select Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, select Properties. Scroll and click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Under DNS, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and close all windows. Method 4. Flush DNS cache. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click and open Run as administrator. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration/flushdns. Press Enter. Once done, check your download speeds again. Method 5. Disconnect any VPN. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. VPNs can significantly slow down your download speeds depending on the server load and location. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you fix slow download speeds in Windows 11, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.